Welcome to Realync training. We are excited to show you our latest feature, which is our Yardi integration. This feature pulls your Yardi lead info straight into Realync so you can create a video unique link or schedule a live tour with a few simple clicks. The integration automatically logs the activity that you completed on the guest card for you. Now I'm going to pass it off to Matt to show you how.
To get started sharing Realync videos using the Yardi integration, first sign in at realync.com and then go to your Videos tab. Once on your Videos tab, find the video that you're looking to share, hit the Share option, and you have a few options here. Share with a prospect, and there you'll see the Add from Yardi button. When you hit Add from Yardi, it will pull in your most recent contacts into the screen that you can instantly select one of them and create a share link. Or, if you like, you can also search for specific leads, choose that information, hit the add button, and within seconds you have a unique link that you can then copy, paste where needed, and get sharing. All share information is instantly logged on the guest card as an activity within Yardi. It'll show who you sent the video to and what video was sent as well.